Alright guys, Thursday night, just got a quick emergency call and I'll show you why. We have a dump truck. And here we go. Little bracket action. This thing's all... That one over there is cracked too, but it didn't rip off. So let's just start hammering this out. I'm going to lose daylight pretty soon, so let's get him back on the road. Step number one, let's clean this puppy up. Shimming didn't work, so I got one of these little, I guess, quarter-ton come-alongs, got it onto this door, which is kind of solid. So that's it's still got a gap, so I got to go a little more. All right, here we go. I got this thing leveled up. Gap is consistent all the way around. I ended up just doing a little setup like this, piece of tube. Lifted it up. I still have the come along on for a safety. It's not really going anywhere, but then I squeezed it all back together to line this up right here. I just put a C-clamp in there, and yeah, I got that piece prepped, and get tacking this thing. We'll test it out, see how the door opens, get a couple good solid tacks on it, and weld it out. And then I just need to that's already cracking on that side, so I just saw the customer. He just said I'd take care of that for him too. So let's get to welding. It helps when you turn your gas on. Up here, this is really thin stuff, kind of just going around. Gonna build up some welds and make her stick on there. And they ain't the slickest welds around, but that will do the trick. I'm gonna open this door because I need to do the inside too. But hey, that'll work. Pretty solid, more solid than it was probably. So let's get all this come along and car jack out of here, and let's swing this puppy open and see what she looks like. All right, here we go. Okay, not bad, not bad. She sunk down a little, but both sides kind of sunk. Hey, always be careful of that kind of stuff. All right, let's open it up and see how she opens. Alright, she's on there. Now, I do have to get onto the inside here, so that'll be easy. I love when you bring it to you loaded. All right, we got a little load in here, but I did weld that inside. Both the doors shut very nicely, so I'm gonna shut them back. I'm gonna clean up that other side, run a couple passes over it, and this is a quick little Thursday night job. So let's get that wrapped up and then we're done. All right, guys, we are done with this one. Quick, probably about an hour and a half. I showed you that. And then I threw a couple passes on that. So this is, you know, I like these little unexpected video opportunities, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, hey, whoa, what is that? That is my Dodge in my garage. Let me give you a sneak peek of what's been going on with this thing. I've been kind of trying to clean this flatbed up because we're building a welding rig again. I've been making a video for that for the last week and a half. And actually tonight I was planning on starting to fab up a little bumper in the back, but this is a paying job, so that can wait. Again, guys, thank you for coming, watching, taking a look. Don't forget, if you guys are into 2x4 auto dim welding lenses, check out Rod Shield in my description. Use my promo code mcfweld, and I think up until December, maybe 1st of December, he's running a giveaway for a Lincoln SA250, man. Like, spend 50 bucks, a lens is 65 bucks, 60 bucks with my promo code. Every $50 spent, you get an entry to win this welding machine. It's like no gimmicks, man. Go check it out. I mean, I kind of want to buy something to maybe win it too, but definitely go check out Rod Shield. That's the lens I use for MIG welding. If you're into MIG welding, stick welding, TIG welding, these things are top notch. Really, really good welding lenses. But that's it for tonight, guys. I'm checking out. I have a mess to clean up outside. I'm going to go in, make some dinner, maybe edit this video, and then I gotta go to work tomorrow. And tomorrow's Friday, so here comes the weekend. Thanks, guys. We will see you, hopefully, building this on the next video. Peace. Come on, did you guys really think I forgot to paint it? Oh, no ladder for this one. Paint it while it's hot, people. Never forget.